So, before looking at this topic called a joint arrangement, let's look at how this joint arrangement can be formed. We can look two ways. The first one is there is separately owned third party, and there is X company, and there is a Y company. So, when Y company and X company invest some of their money and bought 50% of their shares, the share of this third company. This means Y bought 50% and X bought 50%. At this time, they both have a joint control on this third party, on third party's company. This is called joint arrangement. The other way the joint arrangement might be formed is when X company and when Y company forms this third organization by themselves with the contribution of some of their investments. So Y company contributes 50% for the formation of this third organization, and X company contributes some of its resources for this third organization. This can be also, we can also say that X and Y has a joint control or a joint arrangement in this third organization.